Hi friends, and welcome on my YouTube channel Onkar Edu. So today we discuss the remaining parts of the ancient India Indus Valley Civilization (IVC) 2500 BC to 1600 BC, Proto-historic period 2500 to 1600 BC, Civilization Advanced Culture. So civilization means advanced culture. Four basic elements: uniformity, peace, safety, and centralization. These are the tools for the civilized society. So and the archaeological sources are seal, statite, and soapstone, potteries, and artifacts. In 1920, the then Director General Sir John Marshall the practice gave permission sanction for the excavations, and the first excavation took place at Punjab, and the first site excavated was Harappan civilization. 1500 sites were excavated, and all sites were on the valley of river Indus. And in 1861, Archaeological Survey of India, headquarter Calcutta, Director General Alexander Cunningham, and ministry is Ministry of Culture, and it comes under Union list. The retired civil servant of East India Company, Alexander Cunningham. Now we talk about the Indus. The Indus have the combination or tributaries of Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, Satluj, and Byas. Now we will move on next. So here we discuss about the Harappan civilization. Harappa. The features are the town planning. All towns were divided into two: upper town and lower town. Man-made. These are man-made sites. And extent of Indus Valley civilization. It's north. It is extended Mandu. It is in Kashmir, and south Daimabad is in Maharashtra, and east Alamgirpur is in UP, and west Surkodda is in Gujarat. Except one town, Dhaulavira, Gujarat, which have three, which were divided into the three: upper town, middle town, and lower town. 1900 BC, Dhaulavira might have been a late Harappan site. All town in our lower parts have streets cutting each other at 90-degree right angle and created in a grid pattern 4:2:1, were constructed by the bird bricks, durable, and streets were fortified. All streets had houses, different shapes and sizes. Single, double, triple stories had many rooms, maximum 22. At backyard, bathroom have been excavated, and houses were made from burn bricks. Bathrooms were more than the rooms, common purpose, and had showers. Excellent drainage system. Impressive drainage system is very impressive of the Harappan sites. Citadel. The citadel is a mini fort or upper town. Burn brick were constructed on a raised platform plinth. It is created for the prevention of flooding. 6 citadel have been excavated: Harappa, Ravi river के पर and Mohenjo-daro river Indus, and Chahudro river Indus. These are situated in Pakistan. And Banawali river Saravasti, Haryana, and Lothal river Bogaro, Gujarat, and Kalibanga river Gagar, Gujarat. These are very important sites, and citadel have been excavated, and these are asked many times in the exams, so you have to know that the six citadel and the rivers, these six might have been capitals. And biggest citadel is Mohenjo-daro, which is Harappan capitals. At Dholavira, a broken citadel and great bath rectangular tank 2.4 meter deep, built by burnt bricks, upper town near the citadel. 6 bathrooms are found near the bath. At one corner of the bath, a drain outlet found, has stairs on two sides, cotton cloth excavated. Great bath found only at Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro might sacred place in this holy river, and ritual bathing take place at that. You can see the burnt bricks and upper town, the plinths and drain outlets in the image. A great granary store grains. Great granary are for the storage of grains. All sites have granaries, and all granaries upper town and near the citadel, and all granaries built up of burnt bricks, and all granaries several sections of the store different grains. At the Harappa, granary rice is excavated, and at Rangpur, Gujarat, a large amount of granary, large amount of rice is excavated. At Banawali, Haryana, a barley excavated, and at Sautugai, Haryana, a wheat excavated. Afghanistan, it is situated. Sautugai is situated at the Afghanistan. In France, agriculture is known, and storage is known, and self-sufficient. They have the PDS system, public distribution system, and tax is known for them, and futuristic planners they are. So I hope, friend, you like the video of Indus Valley civilization and the information provided by me. If you like the video, then share, subscribe, and like my channel for the further update. Thank you very much.